Hi everyone, welcome back. This is SOHINI Chanda. Today I'm gonna create this look using 6 hacks in just 2 minutes. Sounds interesting? So let's begin. So let's start with hack number 1. To cover your dark circles or pigmentation, you can use a peach or an orange corrector. So if you have light to medium skin tone, you can go for a peach corrector, which I personally love. And if you have deeper skin tone, you can go for an orange color corrector. Hack number 2. You can mix your foundation with highlighter to get a glowy base. You can see it blends really nicely. It also helps to minimize the coverage and also love the dewy finish. Hack number 3. If you have a round face like me and if you want to uplift that, use the blush on your cheeks and blend it upwards to the temple and you can see the difference. Hack number 4. If you want to fill in your brows but if you don't have a brow product, no worries, you can use a matte eyeshadow. Here I'm mixing black and brown shade and filling it in really nicely. Moving on to hack number 5. To enhance your eye makeup, apply a lighter shimmery shade on your inner corners and also on your brow bone, and you can see it just enhances and opens the eyes so nicely. Now coming to my last hack, which is my absolute favorite. To make any lipstick matte and transfer proof, you can use this Sugar Zip and Zap matte topper. It's super easy to use and you can see there's no transfer at all. So those were the hacks I wanted to share with you all. Do let me know which hack you like the most in the comment section below. I am going to mention the product details and their links in the description box below, so do not forget to check it out. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.